Hello friends, this is Rakesh. In today's video we will be making a lamp out of a tree. So in the first part we will be making an SVG image. That image will be used in Fusion360 to make the. Let's start the first part where we will be making a SVG file from a image. For making SVG images we will be using Inkscape. So I already opened the Inkscape. So let's import the file. So I will go to file. So we will be using this particular image for making our lamp. So we will open it. We will check everything is as per the okay. Then we will reduce the size so that it can get fitted inside now. So this is the image. To convert the image to the SVG file, what we will do is we will trace this image. So for tracing this we will go to the paths, then trace bitmap. Then here's the window is opened, but the criteria we will be doing is brightness cutoff, as there is only two colors, so that will be good enough. So we will update it. We will see, okay, the image is looking pretty sharp. We can increase the sharpness by putting the value to 6, but I think yeah, this is okay. So we will do just apply. We will close it. So by applying we got the SVG images. So this is the traced bitmap and this is the original one. So we delete the original one and keep the traced image. Now we will export this to SVG file. So we will save it or export it, whatever you want to say. So files, save as, and SVG. So yeah, so we will be saving it as SVG file, rename it as tree. Yeah. So this is the first part where we have made the SVG file from a photo. Okay. This part we will be making a 3D using the SVG file. For that we will be using the Fusion360. Okay. In the first part we made an SVG file from an image using the Inkscape. In the second part we will be making a 3D part or the base part on which we will be making the lamp. So for that what we will do is we will first insert a SVG file. Then we will go to insert from my computer. Then yes, we will go to there. Our video is there. Yeah, tree. So we will be importing the tree SVG file. Now it is asking on which plane we wanted to get it done. So we will be selecting this plane. Now by selecting this square we will be able to find the size. So I think it is near about 50 by, no, not 50. It is about you can say 60 by 60 file, but our printer can print by up to 200 mm. So we will be scaling it to 2 times. When we put it, yeah, it is 2 times. Now we will check it again. Yeah, it is near about 150. I think that is good enough. So we will okay. Now we are going to make the outer shape of our lamp. For that we will be making a circle. So we will go to the circle command. Then I think this is near about center point. Yes. So I think 140 is good enough. Yes. Then now we will be extruding. So what we will do is we will extrude the rest part, okay, where it is where the impression of solid part will come. So we will finish the sketch and do the extrude part, and then for extrusion we will select this part. 3 mm I think extrusion is okay, 3 mm thickness. So this is the part, you got it. What we will do is we will make the background of this also 1 mm thickness. So that creating a sketch we will right mouse button click. We will press right mouse button click and create a sketch. After that we will normalize it. Yes, and we will select the outer edges, convert entities. For that you can use shortcut command P and it is done. So we will do finish and do extrude again, and this time we will select everything. Now let's see. Yes, only this is remaining. Yes, I think every part is done. The thickness should be -1 mm. by saying minus, it means it will be projected outward. Not okay, not minus, plus. Minus means it's cutting down the, yeah. Then okay, we are joining it because we are making it a solid part. Now this is the this is how it will look. Okay, we'll make the LED holder. For that, yes, we will make sketch on this plane. So we will select this plane and press the right mouse button, click, then press the right mouse button, then create sketch. So our sketch will be, we will select this edge and again convert the entities by pressing P, which is the shortcut of converting the entities. Then also we will offset this circle by 3 mm. 3 mm boundary is enough. Now we know this part, na, so we will be extruding this part. Yes, extrude this part only. This part only. This is the direction. So we will be extruding by 25 mm, and we are not going to join it. So we will making it as a new body. So they are two separate bodies. You can see these are two separate body 1 and body 2. Okay. So for that, okay, this is done. Now, but we need to have a base for this also, na. Now when you see it, na, there is we haven't created any base for this on which it will be resting. So first let us create a base. For that, again we will select this plane, back of the first body, then create sketch, then again select this edge and project or convert entities, then offset this plane to say 3 mm. Again this time we will move it out inward to provide the base. We will do it. Okay, what we will do is we will provide the that lamp part, na, where the light will come on both sides of this ring. So for that, as we know that we have given the thickness of 4 mm to this. So okay, now we will finish the sketch and extrude this part up to this section. Okay, but we need to hide this part so that we can join these two parts and it will act as a single body. And the reason of hiding this first body is that if we are not going to hide it, na, then it will be acting as a different body and it will create problem for us. And if we don't hide, then we cannot, if we are going to join, then all body will be joined. That thing we don't want. Okay, now we want this part to be completely submerged in this part. So for that, we will select this edge and create sketch, then select this part and project or convert, then select and project. Okay, so two parts are complete. Yes, now we will hide the first part and finish the sketch. Extrude this part to 4 mm as the thickness of our is 4. Okay, now same thing we have to done on this side also, so that on both sides we can place the ring or through which the light will come, and we will be using the LED light strips to illuminate the complete system. So we will select this plane and create sketch. Yes, create sketch. We will project this and convert it. Okay, and then we will select this edge and convert or project by pressing P. So yes, two circles are drawn. We will finish the sketch, then we will select this particular area and again 4 mm. So in this way you can see that our board, this is in the completely this area. Let's make a construct plane there, mid plane, and it should be between these twos. Yes, okay. And we will mirror this. We have selected this plane and we will be mirroring our base part, or the part which is through which light will come to this section also. So for that we already made the mirror plane. So we will go to create, then mirror. Okay, first we will select type, what type we wanted to mirror the bodies. So we will select bodies, then object which we wanted to get mirrored. So either we can select from here or we can select this from here. So we will select this part, then select the mirror plane, and as we have already made this, so yes, new body. Okay, so we will hide this place so that it will be easy to. So yes, we have made this. So for wires and all, we need to create one hole, so from which the wires will come out. So we will select this plane and click, we will go to origin and check the planes. Yes, this plane, and we wanted to create a sketch on this plane. Create a sketch, then we will select create a line, and we will create a line. You can select the line and make it as construction line, then circle and circle. Now we will dimension the circle by pressing D, and I think 8 mm is enough. Yes, we have created 8 mm, and now finish and extrude cut. So yes, and as you say, it is showing red means it is cutting the part, and this is also confirming a hair also. So let's do it. Okay, so our lamp is designed. We will export this part, these three parts separately, or basically this part and this part is same. So we are not going to export each part, but we are going to export this, and we will print it. So for exporting, we will go to bodies and select the first part, then right click, then save as mesh. So we will select save as mesh, and here also STL, when you go to the formats, you can find different formats. So we will be exporting in STL, binary, millimeters, okay, and medium, and then select OK, and we will be naming it as tree frame, and we will be exporting this is also. And so same, right mouse button click, save as mesh, everything selected, OK, then base. In the next part we will be making the G codes for the 3D printer using Cura. So in this part we are going to make the G code for our 3D printer. So let's import the files. So we will go there, this is the base part, this is the tree frame. So we go there and import it. We will see this. Okay, very good. So quality, 0.2 is layer height is okay, walls, everything is okay. Let's do the slicing. You can print according to yourself. For me, I think I have already taken 10% infill because we need transparency, and skirt is 4 minutes and 54 seconds. So we will save. So we will be saving this as tree frame. Okay, let's save it. Yeah, we have saved it. Now just deleting this and importing the other file. So the base, yes, this is the base part. We need to provide support. So for supports, yes, I've already provided. Let's slice it. 5 minutes. Now again save it to this. Yes, rename it as base and save it. So in this video we have made this beautiful lamp. So let's start 3D printing.